In professional kitchens, there is a lot going on. A lot of hot things, a lot of sharp things. Not only do you have to be careful to not get hurt, but you have to keep everything in order. And the way we do that is employing a technique called mise en place. Mise en place is just a fancy French way of saying having everything in its place or being prepped out. We use this constantly in the kitchen. We get our recipes mised out, we have the line mised out for service, and I think it's a great way to look at your whole entire life. When you get up in the morning, have your day mised out. Be ready for what you want to accomplish and moving forward so that you can get out there and really crush it the way we do in professional kitchens. You're going to see this a lot in professional kitchens when we're getting ready to execute a recipe. We're going to mise out all our ingredients. And you'll see it on cooking shows where people have them in deli containers or Cambros, which are hard plastic containers. But you can do this at home too. Use bowls, use coffee cups, whatever you have that will hold your ingredients, and just get everything all lined out in the beginning so that when you're putting it together, it's easy peasy. I love thinking about my mental mise en place too, having things organized in my brain, utilizing my calendar to keep tasks in order, and that's what really helps me accomplish goals. I'm interested in some of the goals you're reaching for. Let me know about them in the comments below. And one of my goals is to have you smash that subscribe button.